Wala po tayong jowa.
DLSU to Saints ko?
Di ba yun yung sobrang layo?
Ano nga, ang init.
Oo nga, ang init. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go. CJ, ang layo.
Sobrang layo. Your hardest walk yet. Ano na nga? Prepared na ba kayo?
Ito ba tayo na naman?
University Counter 1. Best university, guys.
Ang init.
Nahihilo nga ako eh.
Ano yan?
Faster inhaler. It gives you 2-in-1 relief. Basically, inhaler at essential oil. Naging okay na nga feeling ngayon. Parang nakalayo pa grabe.
300 meters left, guys. Ang init. Ito lang, dala ko yung instant cooling body spray. Instant relief, guys. Instant cooling. But it smells really good too. We're here, guys. Pero paano tayo napasok? Mali yung nilakaran natin. Okay, guys. We're here na talaga.
After 18 kilometers.
Filtration success.
Gusto mo lumipan na dito?
Sayang yung 3 years ko na doon. Thank you, Chris.
Kung sa counter lang.
Welcome sa Chinito Walker headquarters. Dito kami nag-i-edit. Plano namin gumawa ng podcast dito. Papalamig na kami guys ng isa na pasok.
Breaks over, let's go down there.
Go down there. Let's interview some people. Saang university yung pinakamaraming call?
Green. Asal, green.
Kasalan natin yun.
Oh, okay.
Hindi ako payag, dalawa yung sagot niya eh.
Ateneo. Walang isang lasal.
Sige, lasan.
Okay, let's go.
Isa lang yung Lasal, tapos dalawang Ateneo. Natatalo tayo ng walang aircon bro.
So may products lang kami. Tell us what your thoughts about this product.
Since hot weather kasi ngayon, di ba?
Yeah, sakto hot weather yung sir.
Smells very
Naman.
super good. Super good. Parang bagay siya sa araw ngayon.
Yeah. Kasi ang init, oh.
May cooling effect.
Wala.
Since malapit lang yung Lasal and Saints ko, what's the best places to meet today around town?
Sisig ng dati sabon.
Kasama sila.
Okay.
What's the best place to eat in Tap?
For me, tagpuan Berlin.
Green wheeler, tapos may essential oils. Yeah.
Pastel.
Yeah, pastel.
Ano to pag nag-exam?
Actually.
Pwede rin sa hot weather ngayon. Guys, magti-TikTok dance kami with one Saints ko student right now. Where do you guys want us to walk next?
Bagyo!
Ay, bumalik sila.
Wala po tayong jowa.
1, 2. Thank you guys. DLSU to Saints ko. Done.
You guys already know the drill. Comment down below where to next from DLSU to where.
10k likes, top comment na school, yan yung pupuntahan.
Peace out. See you.
Bye-bye.